Hello guys, in this video we will see Rocket League servers down, how to check status and fix connection issues. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Check official Rocket League channels. Content. This is the primary method to determine if a widespread server outage exists. Visit the official Rocket League status page on the Psyonix website or check their official Twitter accounts. Rocket League and Rocket League help developers often post immediate updates regarding server maintenance, unexpected downtime, or known issues impacting connectivity. These sources are the most reliable for confirming whether the problem lies with the game's servers rather than your individual connection, providing specific details about the nature and expected duration of any outages.
Zip. Verify third-party. Downdetector's content. After checking official sources, consult independent server status. Websites like Downdetector or Is It Alright Now search for Rocket League on these platforms to see real-time reports from other users experiencing similar issues. These sites aggregate user submissions and often show graphs of reported problems, which can help confirm a widespread outage, even if official channels are delayed in updating. While not always as precise as official statements, a sudden spike in user reports on these sites strongly indicates a broader problem with the game servers complementing your official checks. SIP. Perform basic network troubleshooting. Content. If official and third-party checks suggest servers are operational, the issue likely lies with your local network. Begin by restarting your router and modem by unplugging them 4 seconds before plugging them back in. This clears temporary network glitches. Ensure your Ethernet cable, if applicable, is securely connected to both your console and the router. If on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or switching to a wired connection temporarily to rule out wireless interference or signal weakness as a contributing factor to your connectivity problems.
Step. We test internet connections. Content. Evaluate your general internet health independently of Rocket League. Run a speed test via speed test to confirm your internet speed and stability. If speeds are significantly lower than expected or if there are frequent disconnections, contact your internet service provider. Additionally, consider changing your domain name system settings. Default ISP servers can sometimes be slow or problematic. Switching to public servers like Google Android or Cloudflare and About can often improve connection reliability and speed to game servers.
Step. Review game-specific settings. Firewall. Content. Investigate settings within Rocket League itself and your system's security. Ensure your game client is fully updated as outdated versions can have connectivity issues. Check Rocket League's in-game connection settings to ensure you're connecting to the correct region. Servers. AGOS East Europe. If you use a firewall or antivirus software, temporarily disable it with caution, as this can expose your system to see if it's blocking the game's connection. If it resolves the issue, you'll need to create an exception for Rocket League and its executables in your firewall settings to allow it to communicate freely.